In the intricate tapestry of life, change is both a constant and a catalyst for growth. As we journey through varied landscapes of personal aspirations and collective endeavors, the ability to adapt to change not only tests our resilience but also shapes our destiny. Embracing change demands a blend of courage, flexibility, and a steadfast belief in one's potential to navigate the unforeseen. This exploration is not merely about surviving the waves of change, but learning to ride them with grace and determination. By fostering a mindset that welcomes change as an opportunity for self-discovery and innovation, we unlock doors to new possibilities and embark on a path of transformation and renewal. Before we dive into the main content, make sure to subscribe for more insightful information on Stoicism. Also, if you're interested in getting guidance from the world's best mentors or want to know about the top courses for earning money on YouTube, please check the description. 1. Cultivate a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset is the cornerstone of navigating life's inevitable changes with agility and optimism. This mindset, rooted in the belief that our abilities and intelligence can evolve through dedication and hard work, transforms challenges into valuable learning opportunities. By embracing mistakes and setbacks as essential steps in the learning process, we foster resilience and a deeper understanding of our capabilities. This proactive approach encourages us to step out of our comfort zones, experiment with new strategies, and persist in the face of obstacles. As we adopt this perspective, our relationship with change shifts from one of apprehension to one of anticipation and enthusiasm. The growth mindset not only empowers us to meet change head-on, but also lays the foundation for continuous personal and professional development, ensuring we remain adaptable and innovative in an ever-evolving world. 2. Build resilience. Building resilience is akin to constructing a lighthouse within, offering guidance and strength amidst the storms of change. This process involves nurturing an inner tenacity that enables us to rebound from setbacks and adapt to new circumstances with grace. Resilience is cultivated through a combination of self-reflection, emotional intelligence, and a supportive community that encourages growth. By actively facing difficulties, rather than avoiding them, we learn valuable lessons about our own limits and capabilities. This journey of self-discovery enhances our ability to withstand future challenges, making us not just survivors, but thrivers in the face of adversity. Developing resilience is a dynamic, ongoing process that enriches our character and equips us with the tools to navigate life's unpredictable tides. It transforms our perspective, enabling us to see beyond the immediate turbulence and towards the horizon of possibilities that change brings. 3. Stay flexible. Staying flexible in the face of change is not just about bending with the winds of life. It's about learning to dance in the gusts. Adaptability is a crucial skill in today's fast-paced world where circumstances can shift with little warning. Embracing flexibility means remaining open to new ideas, altering plans when necessary, and being willing to explore unfamiliar paths. This approach allows us to respond to life's uncertainties with creativity and innovation, rather than fear or resistance. By adopting a flexible mindset, we prepare ourselves to seize opportunities that arise from change, turning potential obstacles into stepping stones. Flexibility also fosters resilience as it equips us to face challenges with a positive outlook and a readiness to adjust our strategies. In cultivating adaptability, we not only navigate change more effectively, but also discover the boundless potential within ourselves to thrive in an ever-changing world. 4. Embrace uncertainty. Embracing uncertainty as a constant companion on life's journey invites a profound transformation in how we perceive and interact with the world around us. It's about acknowledging that the unknown does not have to be a source of anxiety, but can instead be a wellspring of possibility and growth. Learning to be comfortable with uncertainty encourages a state of openness and curiosity, propelling us to explore, question, and innovate rather than retreat in fear. This mindset enables us to view each unforeseen turn not as a deterrent but as an opportunity to expand our horizons and adapt in creative ways. By accepting that certainty is an illusion, we free ourselves from the constraints of fixed expectations and become more adept at navigating life's complexities. Embracing uncertainty fosters resilience, flexibility, and a deeper engagement with the rich tapestry of life, revealing its myriad possibilities in every moment of not knowing. 5. Focus on what you can control. Focusing on what you can control amidst the whirlwind of change is akin to finding your anchor in choppy seas. It entails drawing a boundary between the external world's unpredictability and your internal capacity for action and reaction. Concentrating on actionable elements empowers you to make meaningful progress, even in the face of uncertainty. This approach minimizes feelings of helplessness and fosters a sense of agency, encouraging proactive rather than reactive responses to life's challenges. By identifying and leveraging the aspects of the situation you can influence, you invest your energy wisely, crafting a path of resilience and effectiveness. This strategy not only enhances your ability to navigate the present, but also prepares you for future upheavals, instilling a confidence that comes from knowing you can shape your response to the uncontrollable aspects of life, thereby mastering the art of serene persistence. 6. Establish a support network. Establishing a support network is akin to building a scaffold around you, offering stability and strength as you navigate the ebbs and flows of change. This network, composed of friends, family, mentors, and peers, serves as a source of guidance, encouragement, and feedback, providing a foundation upon which you can lean when the going gets tough. These relationships are crucial for sharing experiences, gaining different perspectives, and finding solace during challenging times. A robust support system not only bolsters your resilience but also enriches your journey, adding layers of shared wisdom and compassion. Cultivating such connections requires openness, trust, and the willingness to both give and receive support. In the complex tapestry of life, having a circle of support transforms individual challenges into collective experiences, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles and triumphs, thereby weaving a stronger, more interconnected human fabric. 7. Prioritize self-care. Prioritizing self-care amidst life's fluctuations is like tending to the roots of a tree, ensuring it remains strong and vital through all seasons. Self-care encompasses a holistic approach to well-being, addressing physical, emotional, and mental health with equal importance. It involves nurturing your body with proper nutrition, rest, and exercise, caring for your emotional needs through mindfulness and self-compassion, and stimulating your mind with activities that inspire and challenge you. This intentional practice of self-kindness acts as a buffer against the stress of change, enabling you to maintain your balance and resilience. By making self-care a priority, you affirm your worth and equip yourself with the inner resources needed to adapt and thrive. In the dynamic dance of life, regular self-care ensures you remain flexible and strong, ready to embrace the new opportunities and challenges that change brings with grace and vitality. 8. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals amid the flux of life serves as a beacon, guiding us through uncertainty with clarity and purpose. This practice involves identifying clear, achievable objectives that not only align with our values and aspirations, but also consider the inevitable twists and turns of our journey. Breaking down larger ambitions into smaller, manageable tasks enables us to maintain momentum, even when faced with obstacles or detours. Each small victory not only propels us closer to our larger aim, but also reinforces our sense of efficacy and progress. Realistic goal setting fosters a proactive mindset, encouraging us to navigate change with intention rather than being swept away by its currents. It transforms the daunting expanse of the unknown into a series of stepping stones, each marking a deliberate move towards our envisioned future. In doing so, we not only adapt to change, but also shape it to reflect our personal vision of success. 9. Reflect on past successes. Reflecting on past successes amidst change is like drawing on a wellspring of personal history to quench the thirst of present doubt. This practice involves revisiting moments of triumph and resilience in our lives, reminding ourselves of the strength and determination we possess. By acknowledging our previous achievements, we not only celebrate our capacity to overcome challenges, but also reinforce our self-belief and confidence. This reflection acts as a powerful antidote to the fear of uncertainty, illuminating our path with the evidence of our own capability. It encourages a narrative of empowerment, where each past success lays another brick in the foundation of our self-assurance. Embracing this reservoir of personal victories equips us with the courage to face new challenges, knowing that we have navigated turbulent waters before and emerged stronger. It's a testament to our ability to adapt, grow, and flourish, regardless of life's changing landscapes. 10. Stay curious. Staying curious in the midst of life's changes is like keeping a compass in hand, always ready to explore uncharted territories with enthusiasm and an open mind. This insatiable curiosity drives us to ask questions, seek new experiences, and delve into the unknown, transforming potential anxieties about change into exciting opportunities for discovery. It's about embracing the world as an endless classroom where every experience, whether perceived as good or bad, contributes to our growth. By cultivating curiosity, we not only enhance our adaptability, but also deepen our understanding and appreciation of the complex tapestry of life. This approach keeps us engaged and passionate, fueling our creativity and innovation. In a landscape of constant change, curiosity acts as our guide, leading us to uncover hidden potentials within ourselves and the world around us, ensuring that we continue to evolve and thrive in an ever-changing world. Navigating the unpredictable currents of life with resilience, adaptability, and a forward-looking perspective transforms the journey of change from a path of uncertainty to one of endless possibility. By cultivating a growth mindset, building resilience, embracing flexibility, and nurturing curiosity, we not only withstand the forces of change but thrive within them. These strategies equip us with the tools to face the unknown with confidence and grace, turning challenges into opportunities for growth and self-discovery. As we continue to evolve and adapt, we learn that change, with all its unpredictability, is not something to fear but to embrace. For it is the catalyst of our personal and collective evolution. Thank you for watching the video till the end. To continue receiving valuable insights on Stoicism, please subscribe. Also, if you're interested in guidance from the world's best mentors or learning about the top courses for earning money on YouTube, check the description below. Thank you again for watching this video. See you soon.